Hello. Oh, this book. This book was that I draw for my client. Mm, can we see how I draw this book cover? Yes, of course. Let's see.
Oops, let's write it. Okay, first I add a margin to understand the cut frame. So I use the AI image to my design to get some rough idea. So I design my own character like this, draw and sketch, and background also I sketch out first of all, and then I colored my characters that I have already created. So the last one, the background, I background also colored. After that we can add more layers, and after finally I add some effects, glowing effects like that, and to the final, to last layer I add some light blue color like this. Finally we can add our title with font size. So it's ready. So if you like my illustrations and videos, you can contact me through the Fiverr or YouTube. I can also draw for you kids book illustrations, and subscribe my channel.